what's irritating you now?
Okay, guys, listen. Just manufacturers, really. When they make things, they don't think that electricians have to put them up. And the awkwardness of putting things up like this fitting, you've got to put the bolts on, but they've made it so this tube is right in front of the bolts, right? Number one, today is a very cold day. Very cold day. You got these little 4mm bolts, right? They've got no grips at all. You're trying to put them at an angle and they keep on falling out of your hand. It's just, and this has taken the best part of nearly half an hour just to put on these little tiny bolts on the end of here. And it's just that, you know, when people make these nice shiny things, they don't think about sparkies who have to put them on. They don't think at all. You think, oh, that looks nice. This doesn't even move. I mean, if that twisted out of the way, then you could put the bolts on. But it doesn't move. And then if it was a nice summer's day, it'll be brilliant because maybe you'd have a bit more patience. But when your fingers freeze over, they've got no, it's got no knurling on these bolts at all. So if you just, it's like trying to handle a slippery fish. It's just really annoying. So this has taken me more than the actual job to actually install it. They're putting the bolts on. They've taken me absolutely ages. Look, it's fallen again.
There she is.
So today I'm not very happy. Not very happy at all, because this is just, they just don't think about how these things actually physically work out in practice. Don't think about it at all. I mean, why make something where the tube comes right down in front of the holes, where you've got to put, why make something like that?